Okay, I'm back with another video. Basically got everything set up here we need to put this in the vehicle very shortly. Come across this that I think will be very handy is a automatic circuit breaker, automatic reset 20 amp. You can get 20, 30 and 40 at our local auto shop. And that's that one there, and this is what it looks like. 12 volt, 24 volt, 30 amp. You have battery on one side, accessories out the other. So that's the first part of the circuit. From there we're coming into our relay. I'll put the full wiring setup for all this on there as an addition very shortly. So this is 12 volt, 30 amp, standard 5-pin relay, and there she is all set up. And we have a illuminated rocker switch for the dash. Okay, that's that fella there. Okay, then we go to our DC motor controller, pulse width modifier, and finally to our amp gauge and into our cell. Now this is just a 20 plate cell that I've put together. It's 4 inches wide by 2 inches high, 100mm by 50mm, and 20 plates. One positive one end, negative the other end, and that's all we're running. So we'll fire all this up and we'll get some readings. Okay, there's our battery power to start with. As we turn it on, the battery power drops, and here is our voltage at our cell. Goes up to about 9-8 volts, something like that. Okay, and this will be our amp reading. About 30 amps at the moment. I can't adjust that because I found out that if you put the positive into the negative end, this thing doesn't work anymore. So I'll have to find out what I've done wrong with that and touch it up. Anyway, we'll get a bit of a shot of our cell running, hopefully. With the light on the wrong side of the shade, we'll see what happens. This is a 10% solution of caustic soda and water. Okay, so this is everything set up there. Just a temporary setup, going to our bubbler and going into a motor very shortly. Now we'll turn all this off. The other thing I've done is done a testing on a lawnmower. I don't know how well that'll come up on screen, but it's a Briggs & Stratton 3.5 horsepower, 148cc. The tank capacity on this one is 900 mils, so I've just put exactly 900 mils in the tank, kicked it over, run it for 15 minutes. The first time I used 500 mils, and that works out to be 2 litres per hour. Second time 450 mils, and that's 1.8 litres per hour. So I don't know how that translates to hydrogen, from petrol to hydrogen, as in what we need, but 2 litres an hour for petrol is not a lot, and this cell running on 13.8 volts in the car is making 22.7 litres per hour. We've got, where are we down here? Okay, so we're taking 79 seconds for 500 mils, 13.8 volts, 22 amps, only 16% efficiency, and that gives you 22.7 litres per hour. So if I'm getting 22 litres per hour hydrogen or HHO gas, Brown's gas, as I say, I only need 2 litres per hour to run the mower, so hopefully somebody can help me translate that. Burning petrol compared to burning HHO gas, and I should have enough gas out of this. I hope to run the mower at least, and then maybe make a bigger cell to run the car. Anyway, see how all that goes. As I said, I'll do a diagram of how all this is wired up, especially the relay. It was a pain in the bum because it didn't have anything with it. But anyway, it's all working and wired up now, and that's basically how it'll be wired up in the car. So I'll put that on tonight, and hopefully it can help somebody out. Alright, thanks for watching.